The Obama administration on Friday formally accused the North Korean government of being responsible for the devastating hacking attack against Sony Pictures Entertainment, providing the most detailed accounting to date of a hugely expensive break-in that could lead to a U.S. response. In a statement, the FBI said it has enough evidence to conclude that North Korea was behind the punishing breach, which resulted in the disclosure of tens of thousands of leaked emails and other materials. The statement said, quote, North Korea's actions were intended to inflict significant harm on a U.S. business and suppress the right of American citizens to express themselves. And it said such acts of intimidation fall outside the bounds of acceptable state behavior. The FBI's case cited, among other factors, technical similarities between the Sony break-in and past malicious cyber activity linked directly to North Korea. Obama administration officials had previously declined to openly blame North Korea, but said they were weighing various options for a response. The statement Friday did not reveal what options were being considered. The hacking escalated to terrorist threats that prompted Sony to cancel the Christmas release of the movie The Interview. The comedy is about a plot to assassinate North Korea's leader, Kim Jong-un. Kelly Daschle, Associated Press.